Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cover either the ham itself or the pan with foil. Make sure it is covered well so the ham doesn't dry out. Set the oven to 350 degrees and bake the ham, basting every 15 to 20 minutes. Uncover the ham when you baste it, but then cover it back up when you put it back in the oven.
Take our lead.
Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. To heat the ham, place it on a rack in a shallow roasting pan, and bake uncovered. For a whole ham, allow 15 to 18 minutes to the pound. For a half, 18 to 24 minutes per pound.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
How to cook spiral ham without drying it out. Preheat 325. Remove spiral ham from package, reserve the liquid. Put the spiral ham in pan with rack in the bottom and with the fat side up. Pour package juices in the bottom of the pan to avoid drying it out. Cover spiral ham tightly with foil, no steam escapes. Place center of oven.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.